Ow! Fuck! Alright, morning guys. It's 6:45 in the morning, so nice and early. But I just wanted to quickly show you around the hostel, since this is a pretty cool looking hostel. That's the lounge and the TV. They've even got Netflix, you could watch Netflix. And then here they've got the kitchen. Pretty nice kitchen. They got Milo cereal. Any place with Milo cereal, it's gotta be good. Just behind me is the sink, and they've got free laundry. I left my clothes in the dryer though, so I got it all nice and new. Ah, yes. Love new laundry when traveling is the best thing. Yep.
So you're trekking 6 kilometers.
6?
And you're staying at the hostel. The altitude here is 2,700 at 4 kilometers. So that is where most of the climbers have their lunch and then try to acclimatize.
So pretty much today is only 6 kilometers, and then 6
up.
So in the morning 6 till breakfast,
yes,
and then another 6 down. Oh, more climbing, but easy go down. Or hard to go down? Is it harder?
Some people prefer going up than going down because it takes a toll on your knees.
Yeah, okay. Alright, cool.
You look
Yeah, hopefully. Okay guys, and we're off. Starting our trek today. And with me, I've got Sylvester. Yeah. So it's actually only me with Sylvester doing the climb today, which is good. I can go at my own pace, stop where we need to stop, and also I can vlog properly without worrying about, you know, other people around. And so it's low season in Malaysia right now, so you don't get as many people booking since it's rainy season. So it's about 10:30 now, and we only have 6 kilometers to go today. We're starting at an elevation of 1900 meters, and then tomorrow morning when we hit the summit's at 4,000 meters, so we're climbing up 2,000. Oh my goodness, and I am sweating like dog's balls. This is actually a pretty rough start to the climb. It's all very steep uphills. All the way up as far as you can see. I don't know if I'm just unfit right now, or the sickness is definitely not making it any better. Yesterday I was actually pretty sick. I was just coughing like every minute all day, and my throat was sore and itchy. Yeah, but yeah, definitely got the heart rate up. Legs are warmed up and sore, sweating, so it feels good. Feels really good. This is like my first warm-up exercise in like more than a week since I got to Malaysia, so it's good to get the heart going and the blood pumping. And we got a little break stop. Ow! Fuck! That thing just kept fucking jumped on my hand and scratched me. Hey, you little cheeky buggers. They're not shy, are they? Alright. Better watch out for you, sneaky buggers. Alright, 4 kilometers done, and it's lunchtime. and it could not have come at a better time. I feel tingling in both my quads and they both were starting to cramp. Oh man, not a good sign. I think I went a bit too hard early on, taking big steps and, you know, overtaking everyone. Alright, so for lunch, you have to carry up your own lunch. Plastic bag. Ain't no porters helping you on this one, like Ranjani. So we started today off with 800 meters and 1400 steps. And then now we are at 5.5 kilometers and 9,200 steps. And we went up an elevation of 210 floors. Not a bad start, but be cruisy afternoon. We've only got 2 kilometers left to the top. So if you're planning to do this trek, or you know, any trek in general, from all the ones that I've done, here's my top tips. And the first and most important one is don't burn yourself out too early. So imagine you're just going for a marathon run for like 6 kilometers. You don't want to be sprinting at the start and tiring yourself out. You want to be going nice and slow, and then just keep building it up as you go. Tip number 2, get one of these walking sticks. I think 90% of the people here have it. Tip number 3, the weight that you're carrying. Obviously it's easier to go with a lighter bag. Reduce as much as you can. But for me, always have to carry heavy things. So I've got this camera, I got Mav, which I can't even fly because it's so overcast. And tip number 4, just your auxiliary items. So bring a lightweight windbreaker jacket like what I've got. And also, can't do without music. Bring a set of earphones, play your favorite tunes, and it makes this experience a lot more enjoyable. And tip number 5, footwear. So you could probably wear more appropriate shoes than my runners. These are the most slipperiest runners out because they're comfort running shoes for jogging. So not the best for trekking. You know, I survived slippery muddy Sapa with these things and walked through the countryside of Myanmar. So yeah, it's just a matter of comfort and the conditions. But say this trek here today, these are good enough. And you know, some of the guides in the other countries and even this one, they just wear like socks and sandals, or socks and Crocs, like that. See, that's the way to do it. If they could do it, anyone can. Well, not really, they're experienced, they're pros. So I probably wouldn't recommend that.
You're from what country?
I'm from Sydney, but originally from Philippines.
Oh, Kababayan!
Yeah, same with you guys? Oh, where from?
Cebu. Cebu.
Cebu, oh yeah, love Cebu. I traveled there last year. Cebu and Palawan, loved it there.
I thought you were Malaysian.
No, Malaysian,
You were born in what in the Philippines?
Quezon City. Yeah. Whoa, look at that! Clouds are clearing. It's amazing. Look up there. You see the top? That is sick. Damn. Oh my god, I am dying. We made it. Lemang Hostel. Made it to overnight stay. Oh my gosh, that last kilometer, seriously. I swear to God, that took an hour for a kilometer. My legs were giving in. But anyway, stop whinging now. Sun's out. And just gonna pull my stuff down. Pretty excited to check this place out. And here's my room. Yes. No one here? Can I take this off? So I went a couple of 100 meters back down the track, just away from all the people. There's a couple of no drone zone signs up there, so I'm not gonna fly from there, but I will fly it from here. I did not carry Mav all the way up that track and have my legs cramped to not fly it. So you guys know what time it is. Time to take Mav up. what a flight. So totally worth it. That was insane. I just got a window when, you know, the clouds were moving. But just one thing that you learn from every drone flight, for any other crazy drone pilots out there like me, when I flew Mav back, all the clouds were coming in, and the last, 500 meters coming back was all through cloud. I couldn't see anything. I was just relying on the radar. So this is what Mav looks like. As you can see, don't know if you could see it, condensation, the wings, you could see it there. But now the clouds all come through. So yeah, time to head up and then have dinner. Alright guys, that's it for today. An awesome ending to the day. Nothing like a hard day of climbing, getting to the end and seeing something like this. Ah, so amazing. Kind of reminds me of Rinjani when we got to the top. It was just amazing clouds like this. So it's 6:30 now and everyone's gonna go to sleep early by like 7 or 8 because at 3 AM is when we're gonna go out and climb to the peak of Mt Kinabalu. If you've just tuned in, don't forget to subscribe down below, leave this video a like, and I'll catch you guys nice and early tomorrow. Have a good night.